Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and in this presentation, I will be showing my work for the LL, or also we call Assurance of Learning Process Improvement assignment. I will explain the current LL process and also the improvement that I made using Excel automation. And finally, I will show you my Power BI dashboard and its features. So first, the problem statement. The focus of this project is to improve the assurance of learning or LL reporting process. In this assignment, the AOL process is used by the university to measure whether students have achieved the intent learning outcomes for each unit. However, the original process was manual and inefficient, where to fill in LL report for every unit one by one in text format, and then manually transfer all the data into an Excel master list. And this manual process was time-consuming, repetitive, and prone to human errors, especially when there were many units to process. As a result, we will spend too much time doing repetitive data entry instead of analyzing results. So my goal for this project was to automate the LL process using SLVBA and create an interactive Power BI dashboard to make reporting faster, easier, and more accurate. Here is the before improvement process. The user had to manually enter data into a report, save the file, and then re-enter the same data into the master list before finally creating the dashboard. And in our after improvement process, everything has been automated. The user only needs to click two buttons, one to generate all LL reports and another to import them into the master list. So this Excel's macros automatically fill in the data and save the results. This removes the repetitive manual work, save time, and also ensure the data accuracy. And this is the AOL report template. It was empty before, but now it is already filled in with the data from the list of outcome units file. Then we go to the list of outcome units files. Here is the button we call generate. We just need to click it and it will ask us to select the template Excel file. Okay. Then we just select the LL report template and click open. When we go back to the LL report template, it will automatically fill in all these columns with the data from the list of unit outcomes. Then we go to the master list blank. Now, we try to import the data from the report just now. We click the import button, and there is one we call new folder, which include the 10 individual reports. Just click it and OK. We just need to wait for a while. Then it shows that all forms imported successfully. So we successfully imported all the individual LL report into the master list by just clicking one button called import. Before automation, this process took hours and was prone to data entry mistakes. But now, after automation, it takes only a few seconds and produces accurate result every time. This shows how Excel macros and VBA can make the LL process much faster, easier, and more reliable. Now, we switch to the Power BI dashboard. This is the the dashboard that I created. After consolidating all the data in Excel, I imported the master list into Power BI, which is Microsoft Business Intelligence and data visualization tool. It allows users to turn raw data into interactive visuals such as charts, table, and dashboard. It can automatically update the visuals when the data changes and is much easier to explore and analyze information compared to static Excel charts. Here is the dashboard I created. These charts shows the overall trend by year, and it helps us to see how the percentage of student meeting or exceeding expectation changes over time. And also, I added the interactive slicer for year, course level, major, delivery location, and benchmark. For example, when I click on the Bachelor of Accounting, it will automatically and instantly update the visuals to reflect that data. This interactivity makes it much easier for us to analyze specific groups of data without creating multiple reports. For example, if we click the 2023, it will automatically show us all the data related to the 2023. Okay, so overall, Power BI transformed the raw LL data into a clear, meaningful, and interactive dashboard that supports data-driven decision-making. From this dashboard, we can easily identify all the data such as which unit or measure fall below the 75% benchmark and require further attention. It also highlights trend over time and support a decision about improving learning outcomes. Through this process and project, I learned how automation and business intelligence tools can make administrative work more efficient and help educators make data-driven decisions. This experience has shown me the importance of using technology to improve accuracy and save time in academic process. To sum up, I have automated the LL report generation and data consolidation process using Excel VBA and developed an interactive Power BI dashboard to visualize and analyze the result effectively. This new system saves time, reduces manual errors, and supports continuous improvement of student learning outcomes. So that's all for me. Thank you very much to you all watching my presentation.